mababa academics mo. You're grounded.
Pag may nagawang mali si Rich Kid, grounded.
Puro palakol na naman ang grades mo, ha? Manang-mana ka sa batugang mong ina!
Pag may nagawang mali si Poor Kid, bubungangaan with matching hampas ng hanger.
Palakol na naman ang grades ko!
Sorry. I was just busy, okay? I'm sorry.
Rich Kid, kauuwi lang at nagpicture.
Just got home. So tired.
Poor Kid, kauuwi lang at nagpicture.
Pangit ka, Fos. Libre light, Fos. Eyes.
Rich Kid,
Hirap mong kontakin.
maraming phone,
Dami-dami
isa
mo
lang ang
telepono,
SIM.
isa lang ang SIM card mo. Kung pwede, pakilagyan ng SIM card lahat yan. Okay? Maliwanag ba?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Poor Kid,
naman yan, anak?
maraming SIM,
Dami-dami mong
isa
SIM
lang ang
card.
phone.
Isa lang naman ang cellphone mo. Luma pa! Yan.
Rich Kid, nalaglag ang pagkain.
Hassel. I'll just get another one. Yaya! Another one, please. Pakilinis yung sayag.
Poor Kid, nalaglag ang pagkain.
Wala kang 5 minutes. Yaya!
Rich Kid,
Yeah, bro. Just
Facebook
add me
name.
sa Facebook. Yeah, username Andre Montemar. Yeah.
Poor Kid,
Tol,
Facebook name.
Ah. Kila Boss, 21. Okay. Hello? Download. Yeah.
Rich Kid, pagkatapos mag-basketball, iniinom ng basong energy
I bought it
drinks.
from the States.
What's this?
And then from the States, I bought it in Amsterdam. So
Really?
good. Pare, drink it.
That's right.
Gives you so much energy,
Wow.
pare.
Poor Kid, kahit isang ice tubig, solved na.
Ginakaw eh. Ano mo ko? Ano yun ah? Kailangan.
Kasi, dapat pinasa mo sa akin eh.